Alright, here are the directions for the Explaining the Penumbra handout. So as you can see, you need to get up and get a pencil, or if you should have your pencil, you need 2 colored pencils and a straight edge, which are over on the side of the room. The light source you used in your experiment was not a point source. Light emerges from the entire width of the light bulb face. So what that means is, since I have my light bulb here, light is going to come out from every direction. It's not just going to come out from one direction. Light rays travel in straight lines. This is really important for you to know. Light rays travel, and as well as all other electromagnetic waves, travel along a straight line. Yes, they go up and down, they propagate in this direction, but when they propagate, they are propagating completely straight. So make sure you do know that. That's really important. What you will do is you will identify 2 different parts of this light. Two different parts of the shadow that was created during your shadows lab on the screen. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw light rays, from the bulb out to the screen. And the way that that works is you will just take your pencil and you will take your ruler, you will put it on top of the light bulb, just like this, and you will draw the light rays. And then you just move the ruler along the light bulb and you will draw the rays of light. Now obviously you're going to hit a point where the light rays stop, because you know the light rays don't continue past this puppet because they travel in straight lines, so they can't continue moving. But once they get down here, they start making it to the screen again. So see what I did there? This is what it means when it says draw these lines using a ruler. Then, when it says identify which part of receives no light, which part of the screen receives no light. So you're going to label this on the screen itself in 2 different colors. Your diagrams need to have the light rays going out on this other side. I'm just not drawing it for sake of time. So, I'm going to take one color and label this right here the umbra. And the reason that I'm labeling this the umbra is because this is where the screen receives no light from the bulb itself because the puppet is obstructing it. So this is the umbra of a shadow. Now the penumbra, which I will use a different color for, is a different situation. The penumbra is the part of a shadow that receives partial light. You guys in your lab would identify this as the fuzzy part of the shadow. That's usually right about here. It's where just the light rays are beginning to hit the screen again. So these right here, these are called the penumbras. And this is how you label these ray diagrams. Then on the bottom, there are 2 questions. What happens to the umbra as you move the puppet closer to the screen, and what happens to the penumbra? You will use these 2 diagrams, so you will draw your own ray diagrams, label the umbra and the penumbra, just like I did on the front here, and you will use those to answer these 2 questions. When you're done, show me this worksheet.